Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing some holiday um, decorating and cleaning in my living room, living and dining. So I'm just showing you what I started with, or what I have already done. Sorry, I'm a bit hoarse. I went to a funeral on Sunday and I got wet in the rain because it was raining the entire um, Saturday night and it rained the entire Sunday. However, that's the reason why I'm hoarse. So I'm working with red and white in here. So I put those curtains over there, red and white. I did some rearranging in here. Yeah, as you can see. Um, put some red and white curtains there. That's actually the doorway, or the door where the door is where you walk to go out the front. But um we don't really use that doorway. I didn't block it up because I remember that Miss Dove, Sanita Dove, said I'm not supposed to block any entrance in my house. I didn't block it up, guys. I just put a curtain there because so it can still open easily. Yeah, just to match with this side. Yeah, if you didn't know there was a doorway there, you'll probably think it was a window. Yep. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna tidy up the couch now, guys, and then I'm gonna do over here the table and stuff. And yeah, let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you for clicking on this video. Please watch to the end. Drop comment down below. Guys, for this chunk of the video, I realized that there was something blocking the camera when I was videoing it. So I am just gonna speed up this section. I'm so sorry about that, guys. I begin to I begin So guys, I did remove these pillows from the bedroom. I use the burgundy ones instead. So in there is burgundy and white and gold. I'll give you a clip when I'm finished doing this, so you can see the changes that was done in there also. So I'm just using some alcohol, guys. with this microfiber cloth to clean the glass center table.
I begin to.
giving you a quick view, guys, of what I did so far. So I was hoping to get my table for the holiday, but we didn't get it for the holiday. But I guess in the new year we'll be able to get the table for the new year. We're paying down on it, so we didn't get to complete the payment for the holiday, but it's okay, we still have a table. So this is what I did so far, guys, and I am loving it. Yep, red is not my favorite color, you know, it's burgundy, but I decided to go with red in the living and dining room.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
So guys, it's later in the evening, and at this point, as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm pretty hoarse. Whatsoever, so right now we're in the boys' room. Guys, I've created a little room for the boys. It's very comfortable. They love it. And that's Jordan, Justin, and Jamaya. So the colors in here are blue and green and a touch of red. This is very comfortable. This is a very comfortable room, guys. Especially Jordan. He loves his room. He's always telling Jamoya, get out of my room. Yeah, so they're enjoying this room. And the girls have their own room. Yeah, so they're on their phone and their laptop. I don't know what they're watching, but it's some cartoon. Yeah, so this is a boys' room and I'm loving it. Yeah, I use the two couch, guys, to push together and make a bed for them. And I'm telling you, this is the most comfortable bed ever, I can tell you. Yeah, so enough said. Enjoy the video.